Hello everybody, I am BoneheadedSamuraiTheFinalBoss. In case if you haven't noticed, here, I haven't been posting a video for 6 days now. I'm sorry about that, guys, but I've been busy for the past 6 days after the loser roll video has been uploaded by myself on YouTube. I'm going to say on YouTube because I streamed it from my PlayStation 4. In case if you haven't seen the video, go to the previous video from my channel from below this vlog of mine. Oh, and anyways, this video is to talk about, that I would like for FloodPrince, aka my brother, to get more subscribers for his channel. So that reminds me, and the Crimson Rain, if you haven't seen this video yet, go look for FloodPrince on YouTube, because so happens he started posting like gaming content, but so happens he'll be posting more next month in March, on my birthday month. And so happens I'm gonna try to do more gaming content, possibly when Samurai Warriors 4 Empires comes out. And also this, I'm already going to be on another computer soon after March comes around. Right after February comes and passes, I'm going to be going to a new laptop completely. Oh, and also to this, on Monday I'm going to be on a diet. So I'm going to try to lose all this weight that I have in me. Oh, and that reminds me, I'm going to try to be posting game content for the rest of February, which is the birthday month to one of my sisters, of course, in case if you haven't noticed. I am in close to a well-lit room just to do this vlog here. So what happens here is the light for this is just completely gone, and it's driving people bonkers about that. And so happens here, in case if you haven't noticed, I'm trying to get back to making streams, but recently I have Wi-Fi problems. Don't know why, but I'm just being honest with you guys, because so happens I don't know. Oh, and by the way, try to subscribe to Klaus Van Haven, because so happens I did a few videos with Klaus Van Haven on YouTube, for YouTube, back in around December of last year to January of this year. In case if you want to subscribe to Klaus Van Haven, he's been doing some stuff, in case if you want to know. But yet, this is Boneheaded Samurai, aka El Reezy, aka Elrix. Peace out of here. Bye.